If you're tired of feeling like your bank account is on a never-ending roller coaster, you're definitely not alone. I've been there too, watching my paycheck come in only to see it vanish faster than I could blink. So let's talk about how to finally break free from living paycheck to paycheck without losing your mind in the process. First up, budgeting doesn't have to mean spreadsheets and headaches. Start simple. I use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of my income goes to needs, think rent, groceries, bills. 30% is for wants, the fun stuff. And 20%? That's for saving or paying off debts. This rule helps me see exactly where my money's going without making me feel trapped. But you know what used to sabotage my progress? Emotional spending. Ever had a rough day and treated yourself to something you didn't need? Same. Next time you catch yourself reaching for your wallet out of stress or boredom, just pause. Ask yourself, will this make me happy tomorrow or just for a minute? That simple question has saved me more times than I can count. Now, if tracking every dollar sounds overwhelming, try a beginner-friendly tool. I love using an app like Mint or even just the Notes app on my phone. All I do is jot down what I spend each day. It keeps me mindful without making my brain hurt. And here's the most important part. Remind yourself that you're not stuck. Money is just a tool, not a source of stress. So, repeat after me. There's always enough. I am learning and I am growing. Every step you take adds up. You've got this.